Hi guys, my name is Varun Verma. In this video, we will see how we can use patching functionality with Era. One of the pain points for most DBA is database patching. With Era, we have introduced one-click patching for Oracle databases. So let's see how it works. So first thing first, we have to create a software profile which will be used to provision databases within Era. For the purpose of this demo, I have already created a software profile named Oracle DB19C. This software profile is using our gold image, which is running Oracle 19.3. It is Oracle 19C base version with April PU. Let's validate that. So from operating system, we can see we are running Red Hat Enterprise Linux Server with version 7.7. From database software tab, we can see we are running 19.3 with April PU. The same info you can find from Grid Infrastructure software tab as well. From database server tab, we can see we are running 3 different databases, database server 1, 2, and 3, using this software profile. Now let's validate patches from the database server itself. This is my Oracle home. This is my gold image database server, which is running 19.3. And we can get information using opatch ls inventory. The same info we can validate from the grid home as well. Now let's assume we have to patch all these 3 databases with October 29 PU. With Era, what we do is we manually patch our gold image, which is running base version of 19C, and then create a software profile and use that version 2 or a version new to patch our databases using one-click patch functionality. So let's get started. For the purpose of this demo, I've already downloaded October PU and staged under U01. This is our patch which we are applying. This includes grid infrastructure and database patch update. So we log in as root and we go to grid home U01 app 19.0 grid opatch, and then we run opatch auto apply. Now you can see our patch update has started. This will take few minutes to update our grid infrastructure and databases. Now we can see our gold image has been patched with October PU. Let's validate that. We can see we have database release update 19.5. We can see the same info from grid as well. Now let's go back to Era and create a new software profile under our base software profile, which was Oracle DB19C. Click on create. Let's name it Oracle DB19C October PU. Let's select our gold image database server, which is this. Click on create. Please note that we are creating this new software profile under our base image, Oracle DB19C. Let's click on this to check the status so we can see a new software profile Oracle DB19C with October PU has been created. Let's go back to profiles. Let's publish it. Select this one, click on update and publish. So now we can see we have 2 different software profiles for Oracle DB19C, one with the base version and the other one with October PU. So let's get started with one-click patch functionality within Era. We will be patching these 3 database servers with the current October PU. Let's get started with DB server 1. Over here you can see the software profile version, current version, recommended, and you can see the status that says update available. To patch this DB server 1, all we have to do is click on update, select Oracle DB19C October PU, and we have an option to start patching now on a later time. So let's do it now. Click on now and patch database. Let's go back to software profile and let's submit a request for DB server 2 as well. Click on DB server 2. It says the status update available. Click on update and click on patch update. For DB server 3, let's schedule it for a later time. Click on update, later, Let's do 60. And let's click on patch database. So we can see we have DB server 1 and 2 getting patched as we speak. And if we click on schedule, we can see our DB server 3 is scheduled to patch at a later time. So under operation, we can see DB server 1 and DB server 2 has been successfully patched with October PU. Also, we can see DB server 3 patch has started, which was scheduled for a later time, and that has just kicked in. So let's go back to profiles. Under Oracle DB19c, you can see this October PU now shows two database servers, DB server 1 and DB server 2. We can also validate from the server side. Let's do that. So from the database server, let's log into DB server 1, which is running at 10.55.9.194. We can double check. And the other one is running at 195. Let's go back to our PuTTY screen. We can see 19.5 has already been applied on the DB server 1. Let's go back to DB server 2. And run over here the same patch ls inventory. And this has been patched successfully as well. So this concludes our demo on one-click patching with Era. Thanks for watching this video, and let us know if you have any questions.